crime scene house today, and we're going to show you guys what we do on a day-to-day basis. Come on, let's take a look inside. So here we have the mock bar, which we do lots of evidence type of stuff. There's a dead body. Bah, just Gary. We call him Gary. So in here we have to get evidence, like to find out how Gary's, past, blood samples, DNA samples, fingerprints, all that kind of stuff. The place here, it's so real, so realistic. Not now, if realistic.
I'm Gary, been dead about 15 years now. You don't get too many opportunities as a dead person, so when this came
Gary,
up...
what are you doing? This is a tour, it's not about you.
All right, don't have a heart attack.
Here we've got the mock takeaway room. Here we do things like, mock assaults, mock burglaries. The attention to detail here is really, really fantastic. Pizza for $8.99. Ooh, not on my watch. In campus, we've got one for a £5. Easy peasy. And the thing that I love actually about Teesside University's accommodation is you can get a room for as little as £100 a week. It's genuinely really good. Anyway, I'll take you into this mock care home room. As you say, you know what? Don't forget this one for today. Mary's upset, and I want to get out. I'm not getting through this. And here we have our tea room. So in here we do mock stuff for realistic environments, just for our students. There is a slight demonic kind of presence here. He likes to write things in blood, usually on the wall. You will die tonight. If you drink this tea, you will perish. Oh, blimey. No, that is the first good one that he's done. That's scary. But, it's the price you pay. You do get used to all the ghosts and goblins, being the modern university of the air. I wouldn't want to study anywhere other than here. Whew, definitely not. So thank you so much for coming on this tour with us, and we hope to see you at one of our open days very soon.